Today's recipe, low-carb taco soup. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound ground beef, taco seasoning. I have homemade taco seasoning. You can check out my blog for the recipe. Dried cilantro, chopped garlic. I have 2 cans of tomatoes with chili. I have 1 block of cream cheese, chopped onions, and beef broth. You first start by browning the ground beef. Then I'm going to go ahead and break up the meat. On the next step, I'm just going to go ahead and let the meat cook until it's almost cooked through. Then I add the onions. You want to cook the onions with the beef for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm adding my minced garlic, and I'm going to mix that through with the ground beef. Allow the garlic to cook with the beef for about 1 minute until it's fragrant. Now I'm adding the taco seasoning. I'm only adding 1 tablespoon. The remaining taco seasoning will be added to the crock pot. So now I'm going to give this a stir, mix it through with the beef, and the next step, we're going to go ahead and transfer all these ingredients to the crock pot. In this step, you see me transferring the meat to the crock pot. Now I'm adding the remaining ingredients. We'll first start with the beef broth. Next, I'm adding the dried cilantro. Then I'm adding the tomatoes with the chili. Now I'm adding the remaining taco seasoning. Then I add the cream cheese. I broke it up into pieces and I'm adding it to the crock pot. Don't worry about the pieces being chunky. It will melt while the soup cooks. Now we want to go ahead and give this a stir and combine all these ingredients and all these amazing flavors. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my crock pot to low, and I'm going to cook this for 4 hours, or you can cook it for 2 hours on high. So it's been 4 hours. My soup has been cooking on a low temperature. I'm going to give it a quick stir, and then I'm going to go ahead and dish this out. The smell in here is absolutely amazing. It smells so good. And as you can see, I'm spooning the soup out, and I'm going to go ahead and garnish it once I'm done. But this is a very, very nice soup and absolutely keto friendly. I hope you guys try this one. If you'd like to see more videos like these, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and garnish my soup. You can put whatever you like on your soup. This is basically, think of taco. Whatever you like on your taco, you can top with this soup. So I'm going to top it with some shredded cheese. I have some fresh cilantro. I have some mild jalapenos, and I topped it with some sour cream. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Try this one. Okay guys, the entire recipe will be listed on my website. It's lowcarb360.com. As always, I thank you all for watching.